And now I invite our next speaker, Mr. Yoshitami Kamioka, Parliamentary Secretary, Cabinet's Office, Japan. Please, you have the floor.
Thank you very much. Mr. Chairman, on behalf of the Government of Japan, I would like to extend my gratitude for the assistance from international society in regard to the Great East Japan earthquake. Firstly, I would like to talk about the efforts in regard to improvement of the legal system for disaster risk reduction in Japan after the Great East Japan earthquake in 2011, based on the lessons learned and issues that arose from the disaster. Currently, the Disaster Countermeasures Basic Act and Basic Disaster Management Plan have been devised both from the Foundation of Disaster Management in Japan and a legislative bill on reconstruction from large-scale disaster has been formulated to institutionalize a reconstruction framework in advance of the reoccurrence of a disaster. Secondly, I would like to mention a strategy called National Resilience. This improves resistance and resilience with regard to large-scale disaster through comprehensive countermeasures with not only structural measures, but also non-structural measures such as national land policies and industrial policies. Finally, the Government of Japan would like to underline these 2 points. First, I would like to emphasize mainstreaming disaster risk reduction to realize sustainable development. Secondly, I would like to underscore the importance of learning from post-experience and lessons in disaster management. Last December, in a United Nations General Assembly, Japan was designated to be the host country of the Third World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction in 2050. The Government of Japan will make a proactive contribution for the success of the conference, as this is a significant opportunity to formulate the post-2015 framework for disaster risk reduction. Thank you for your attention.